Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring the Sensible Heat Interactive Calculator, a tool that solves heat transfer calculations using the fundamental equation Q equals m times C times delta T. Whether you're sizing heating systems, analyzing thermal processes, or determining energy requirements, this calculator handles the mathematics instantly. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll see the calculation mode dropdown. This offers 6 options: calculate sensible heat Q, calculate mass M, calculate specific heat capacity C, calculate temperature change delta T, calculate final temperature T2, and calculate power required for time-based heating. For our demonstration, we'll select Calculate Sensible Heat Q. Next, we have mass M in kilograms, specific heat capacity C in joules per kilogram Kelvin, initial temperature T1 in degrees Celsius, and final temperature T2 in degrees Celsius. There's also temperature change delta T in Kelvin or degrees Celsius, sensible heat Q in joules, and heating time T in seconds. Let's work through an example. We're heating 50 kilograms of water. Enter 50 for mass. Water's specific heat capacity is 4,186 joules per kilogram Kelvin. Initial temperature, 20 degrees Celsius. Final temperature, 80 degrees Celsius. Click Calculate. The results show sensible heat Q equals 12,558,000 joules, or about 12.6 megajoules. Temperature change displays 60 Kelvin. The calculator confirms our input values and shows power required P equals 209,300 watts if we heated this in 60 seconds. These outputs represent actual energy requirements, temperature differentials, and power ratings you'll need for equipment selection. Remember, temperature change in Kelvin equals temperature change in Celsius, preventing unit conversion errors. Find the link in the description below.